And the last module I have here is the executive insights, which is the dashboarding piece. So this is obviously huge because all of the executives want insights into the whole cycle, sales, pre-construction, construction, post-construction. So 41% lack visibility into how data is being used. 76% are willing to invest in it. And we have used Power BI as a stack. So it's very easy for me to extend on what I'm going to show you today. And this is a huge number. 90% spend 1,300 hours yearly trying to connect and organize information because the information is disjointed, which is totally not the case with BUILDFitters. So I showed you some of these dashboards already, but we have lots of these in there. So I can go in here and I can start with my labor hours dashboard. So in here, you will see that all of my projects are listed. I can look at the time spent by job, by phase, by trade, by employee, by cost code. I can filter them down on these statistics as well. I can also track my subcontractor performance. I have a subcontractor dashboard that kind of primarily shows me how my subcontractors are doing. So if I come in here and I open up by subcontractor, it's going to show me there's GeoGrid vendor. And if I click on this, it tells me, okay, this is how they're submitting their time. I can do purchase order analytics here as to how they are performing against the POs. I showed you in the project that you can generate a PO for a vendor. It kind of allows you to capture that for you. I have some of these on the equipment level as well. So for example, we were looking at the Elliott Field project in there. So I can go in there and say, okay, what is I click on this project because this is the one that we were using for the demo. So it's telling me I have a generator on site, I have an outdoor security light outside, and I have a drill machine on site. And I can go into equipment aging and it will tell me for how long the equipment has been there. And I can, again, I have filters on the right, filter down very, very quickly on this information. I have submittals, I have RFIs, and I'm just using the project management app. All of the apps, sale app, pre-construction app, all of them have similar dashboards built and embedded for you that can be easily changed to eliminate any lack of insights you have. We appreciate your willingness, but we have done most of this for you, so you don't have to spend more money on this, as well as not desire it because BUILDFitters offers it.